Want to forget about a 10 to 12 hour hard work and make good money for you and your family? Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the way how I made just $200 in 1 hour. Watch this video to the end and you'll get all the tools needed for a successful start just in 10 minutes. I will show you how I set up a trading system. Additionally, I will indicate the pitfalls to watch out for in order not to lose the money. As a matter of fact, this strategy is a real treasure in a skillful hands. So let's get the party started. Well, let's begin by setting up the indicators. We need the Donchian Channel and Fractals. Everything has been added to the charts, and it's time to take care of parameters. I set the period to 18 for the Donchian Channel. Also, I would like to have the indicator in white to make it more noticeable. Let me remove the background. You simply don't need it here. Now everything is ready for work. Donchian is all set, and the fractals are unchanged. Let's take a closer look at trading signals. You analyze the channel carefully and watch how the price responds to it. The main focus is on price bounces of the channel boundaries, as the asset is always inside. The fact is that any single bounce of the boundaries indicates a market reversal in the opposite direction. As you can see, this happens all the time. Here's another important point. It works, doesn't matter what. The price moves in waves within the channel, and all we need to do is catch the next reversal. Here is the basis of our strategy. But there's another signal. The breakout of the central line. The price always moves in the direction of the breakout. If you see a breakout, then it's time to open a trade, or at least consider it. With the phase indicator, everything is clear, but we also have a second one for a better understanding of price movement. Fractals highlights key support and resistance zones, which can be used when opening trades. A breakdown downward indicates a decline, while an upward breakdown shows growth. You simply draw lines from the fractals and observe where the price is going. This is a very simple and reliable tool. Fractals also help us see potential reversal points when an asset bounces off and reverses. It's a good sign for a change in direction. This action often coincides with a reversal from the boundary of the Donchian Channel. In this case, it's even a better sign. Well guys, enough of theory. It's time to put everything into practice with real trading. I will change the charts, find the first suitable trade deal, and we'll start our analysis. Let's go. Let's get our trading session started. The classic EUR-USD pair is offering the opportunity to open the long and in the market. Now let's work the situation out. We draw the lines from the fractals and focus on the farthest key fractal and the most recent one, which has already been broken upward. Now, the price is approaching to the more long-term level. Here is the level that the price will still have to reach. We also have a breakout of the central line, and there was a bounce from the boundary earlier. The asset is generally going up, and we are taking an active part in this growth. While the expiration is ongoing, I would like to emphasize that it is very important to test the strategy on your own. Don't rush to replicate everything immediately. Take the time to conduct your own testing to make sure that the strategy works for you. Also, feel free to join my Telegram channel where I regularly analyze best strategies with highest returns. One of them will help you definitely achieve success. Meanwhile, the trade is almost closed. Well done. I took the profits at the last second, guys. Things are unfolding perfectly here, so I'll stay on the chart for now. I'll be back just in a few seconds. When the market offers opportunity, it's worth taking advantage of them. Alright, I'm back in the market. The chart is confidently moving upward, so I expect the assets to rise to a new relative high. Let me show you our targets. It's based on this fractal, and the chart should climb even higher. This is another useful tool that fractals provide. They indicate levels the price is likely to reach. After touching the targets, the currency pair might reverse, but the asset is almost certain to reach that level first. All that's left for us to do is to observe. If the chart closes above the highest point, we can open a long position. If it reverses, we open a short position. Simply put, we are fully in control of the situation. As the asset is showing tremendous growth, I am calmly waiting. Done. I close the trade as planned, and the asset continues to go up rapidly. This means that we'll be trading for the price to increase. Just 5 more seconds and I'll enter the position again. Okay, I am in the deal. Let's take another look at what's going on with the assets. The chart is rising and has broken through a key upper fractal. This means that the currency pair isn't planning to reverse, in spite of the fact that it has been trading near the upper channel boundary for a while. The 10 strengths remain intact. Now, you know how to get the most out of the strategy. The channel provides entry points. Fractals also show effective signals, and they serve as indicator or trend continuation, highlighting the next price targets. With the Donchian channel, we determine the entry points, and with the fractals, we analyze the strength of the movement and consistently receive signals that can hint at what's likely to happen in the next few minutes. That's the essence of the strategy, which I've demonstrated through this series of perfect trades in Raw. And yes, the third one closed in profits. Now we can switch the charts. I'll also show you another asset for variety. Let's go.
Okay, don't rush to skip this video. Understand that many things I said might sound unclear. That's normal. When I first started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all this strategy, divergences, and technical analysis. But now, you have a choice. Either go through the same path I did and learn how to trade on your own while burning through all your deposits at early stages, or can start trading with artificial intelligence that provide ready, tested signals and will help you earn, even if this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed a unique software and have put into it my experience multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes charts 24/7 and gives you 72% accurate signals. All you need is to enter the trade at the right time with the right signal. That's all. Want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via link in the description and I will explain to you everything. And most importantly, you will get this for absolutely free. So DM me on my Telegram. See you guys. And now we continue.
Okay, I found a good entry point, which is worth your attention. I'll enter at the start of a new minute and show you everything in detail. So here is a trade for a price increase. Now you will see why this move makes sense. First, we are focusing on the bounce of central line. At this moment, buyers became active and the price started to rise. It is also level from a fractal that was previously broken. By the way, this aligns perfectly with the breakout of the central line. Everything suggests that we are about to see an excellent growth. So let's check it out. This is just great. The asset is performing exactly as we hoped, immediately showing an explosive growth. Now, you just wait for the expiration to finish. This is exactly what it means to trade within a high quality system. Guys, this is why you should always strive to find the right strategy that will bring you profits. Alright, we are down to the final seconds. And yes, another trade closed. Guys, almost $200 in about 30 minutes of active trading. I think that's a fantastic result. So it's time to wrap it up and summarize our trading session. Friends, trading is hard work, a craft which you must constantly grow to stay at the right level. Now, no one is saying it will skyrocket from your very first attempt, turning you into millionaires. But the more you progress, the higher chances of absolute success. Today's trading strategy could be your first step toward successful trading. I wish you the best of luck. If you enjoy this content and you want to see new episode, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on anything. Also, share your thoughts on this video and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'm looking forward to your feedback, guys. For more detailed breakdown on another trading system, check my Telegram channel. There you'll find lots of helpful content. For example, signals that will guarantee you profits. Plus, there's a promo code that gives you 50% bonus on your first deposit into Pocket option. That's all for now. Successful trading, everyone. See you next time.